Warren Harlow, 5 Arrows Tactical Training, with another lockpicking video for you. This one is called bumping a lock. So when we've talked about locks in the past, we talked about the bitting on the keys, which is the cuts. This one's stamped, you can see the cuts that would be required. Bumping takes a key where you cut everything to the maximum depth, and then you are bumping the lock to simulate the keys to be able to open the lock without having the key. For example, this one is a bump key set that I bought from Sparrows. You can see there's Lockpicks there. Similar key type to the American lock here, but if you compare the two, you can see that they're different. The regular key works just fine in the lock. Notice the lock opens. Now what we're going to do is set this up to bump. This is a practice thing. Learn to apply just enough tension and use the bump key to bump it open. See if we can get it pretty quick today. Almost that time. This is why you put the rubber bands on, to help resetting it easier. And there it went. Able to successfully bump this lock open. Yeah, one of the rubber bands snapped, but we're in the lock in a matter of seconds, which was faster than even picking it. The American locks are known to have all kinds of security things inside of them. We welcome your feedback.